Hey guys, it's Melanie, and today's video is very exciting because it marks off the beginning of this Christmas season. And I know I'm early, but I'm actually very proud that I'm early because I'm trying to be on top of things, okay? In the past, I've been kind of a little bit behind, but not this year, guys, because we are gonna be on top of things this year together. So today, I'm gonna be giving you guys over 100 gift ideas. I'll be doing a lot of talking and explaining stuff, so we should probably get straight into this video. Make sure to let me know if you want other gift idea videos. I had a poll on my Instagram, which you should follow me, asking if you guys also wanted to see a Christmas wish list, and a lot of you guys said that you did, so I'm also planning on doing that as well. So if you guys have any other Christmas Eve videos you want to see, make sure to just let me know. Other than that, let's get into the 100 plus gift ideas for Christmas. For this video, I didn't really separate it into who the gift is for. These are just some things I came up with, and I also separated them kind of into like prices. Alright, so starting off with the under $10. First off, I said socks because pretty much, you know, anyone would like socks. There's a wide range of socks. You could do fuzzy socks. You could do like 5 pairs of the Forever 21 socks that are really cute. I guarantee like anyone would like those. Next off, I said a mug. You could do a cute little personalized mug, or you could just do like plain mugs. I don't know. People drink stuff. I would be happy with a mug. I said an eye mask. Some people laugh at me because I use an eye mask, but honestly, it's kind of a lifesaver. You like can sleep anytime. Okay, like some people can already sleep any time of day, but you know, I'm a little sensitive. I said a matching bowl slash utensil set, which might sound stupid and some people might think that's weird, but to be honest, I would be happy with that. I think they're also fun, just getting people cute little like matching things that they wouldn't really buy for themselves, or practical things like if you got a reusable like fork, spoon, okay, utensil set or something like that for on the go. Hoops, because pretty much any girl, even guys, my guy friends wear hoops, like hoops, baby hoops, big hoops, packs of different size hoops. Stickers, Redbubble is a great place because people put stickers on anything, you know? I said a jewelry organizer, whether that be kind of like one of those thingies which you can get on Amazon, or like even just a plain ring holder. A journal, there's so many journals. You could also do like a planner because this is like right before the new year. I said a sriracha keychain. These are like one of those little funny things that actually might be kind of really helpful, and like depending on the person, they might actually like it. The Ordinary brand skincare, which is really affordable, but also I've heard good things about it. They have a bunch of things under $10 and it's supposed to be like really nice. A hair scarf or headband. I personally have been really into headbands. I think they're really fun. If your friend is into fashion, Lululemon headbands or scrunchies. Okay, I think these might be a little bit over $10. It might be like 12 or 14, and they also might be a ripoff, but you know, it's like one of those things. I can't dignify like buying one for myself, so if I receive one as a gift, I would be really happy about it. I said a scalp massager. I'll put a picture, but it's one of those things that you go like that. Those are just really fun, okay? Like, I'm pretty sure a lot of people would enjoy that. Muji pens. These are great. Even if the person is not into like stationery or writing, these pens are so nice. I guarantee they will like them. A candle. I mean, everyone likes candles, you know. If it's like a mom or an aunt or something, you have no clue to get them, you know, candle. Disposable cameras. These are super in right now. You can get a single one for like 7 to 10 to 12, something around there. You can also get like personalized cute looking ones at Urban Outfitters. AirPods case. So many people have AirPods now. If they don't have a case, you know, just get them a case. Body butter from the Body Shop. This stuff is amazing. It smells so good. I recommend. I think the mango and the strawberry one are my favorite. Pop socket, very practical, very helpful. Okay, I wrote down mini wavy guy, but like one of my friends got my other friend one of these. Like, there's literally no purpose of it, but it was really funny. So face masks, you could get a bunch of them, or you could just get like a single, more expensive reusable one. Pretty much everyone likes face masks. I feel like these are a perfect thing to get for someone if you don't know them that well, because everyone likes face masks, let's be honest. Reusable straws, whether this be like metal straw or a boba straw or an extendable one, they're pretty much everywhere now, and they're actually, you know, pretty cool. And then you can also save the environment a little bit. Reusable bags, so like a tote bag that they can keep in their car or just use as a normal like carrying bag. And then I said a milk frother because I got a milk frother. I actually freaking love it. So if the person is into like drinks and tea and coffee and all that jazz, they'd probably like a milk frother. Now on to the $10 to $25 items. A lot of these might be a little random, but It's fine. I said cards or board games, especially if this is a friend you hang out with like in groups a lot and you guys get bored or something. That would be really fun. Anything from Mario VSCO, they have kits. You could just get them like drying lotion because so many people use that, or you could get them a couple of those little sprays, a speedy charger, so like a lightning one if you have a friend whose phone is always dead. Tapestry, I know these aren't as big right now, but they're still pretty cool. A Starbucks tumbler. Starbucks always has so many different tumblers. They have like hot drinks, cold drinks, and you can find one customizable to like the person's style. Some of these things are a little bit random, not gonna lie. I was on Urban Outfitters gifting page and kind of just looking through there for ideas because Urban Outfitters actually has really cool gifts, even if you don't get the gifts from there because it can be a little pricey. They have really good gift ideas and I just thought was funny. They have like a cookbook of Snoop Dogg's recipes because I don't know, maybe I don't know if Snoop Dogg is like a cook or something, like secretly a chef, but it looked kind of cool. I heard about his chocolate chip cookie recipe. If you want to see me recreate that, tell me because I actually heard it was kind of good. So if you have a friend who's into cooking, you could get them any cookbook, but you also get them Snoop Dogg's. Said a charging dock, whether that be for like your phone, your AirPods, your watch. They're for everything now. Pajama set. Everybody loves pajamas if they're matching. That's even better. You know they're gonna use them. Slides, yeah, I don't know. Everyone wears slides. Touchscreen gloves. These are actually a lifesaver. I got a pair of these and they're so helpful. Hydro flask lid, like a straw lid, or I guess, I don't know if they're into hot drinks, you could get them one of those, but like the straw lids, they're so helpful. A body pillow or just fun throw pillow, or you know, some type of huggable pillow. A mini toaster. I saw this when I was shopping with my mom at Crate and Barrel. So adorable. Like I don't really know what you'd make in it. Maybe you'd make a single cookie, but it was kind of cute, like, you know. A waffle maker. This is also at Crate and Barrel. A journal, and when I say journal in this range, I mean like a nice journal. Not what it's called, but you know those ones those bullet journal experts use that are really expensive, like the dotted ones. Nice lashes. I guess. Ping pong, like they have these ping pong kits where you can attach it to like any like dinner table or anything, and then it has the paddles and stuff. That would be kind of fun, you know? Toothpaste dispenser. I think this is because I saw some random like video on Instagram and then it was one of those things where you like stick it to your mirror and then you just... A weighted blanket or a heated blanket. If the person kind of has like anxiety or is cold a lot, this would be a good gift because it literally feels like you're being hugged. A Snuggie. I have a Snuggie. I freaking love it. It's honestly, you know, I look stupid, but I kind of love it. Room heater. I have a room heater. It's a game changer because I'm always cold. My room is always freezing. If your friend is cold, get them a room heater. A Sherpa blanket, or like honestly any blanket. People just love getting blankets. Glossier makeup, any of those like little lip balms that are scented, those are amazing, or just the classic lip gloss. I said a Tamagotchi. This is obviously one of those things that I saw on the Urban Outfitters website. There are also some cool pop sockets on Urban Outfitters. There's one that opens up and it's like a mirror, and there's this other one that has like glitter inside of it. They're more expensive, but they also look kind of fun. A tortilla blanket. I don't know. I've seen this on Instagram a lot. I thought it was kind of funny. You know, like those spoof little joke gifts, but then at the same time, you know, someone would actually probably like it. For the $50 range, I said Billy. One of these guys. Because this was actually freaking expensive. It was like 30 bucks. But honestly, or just a stuffed animal. That would be great. A nice vanity mirror. I mean, one of those like square ones that has like the lights on it. A bubble waffle maker, because those things are freaking tasty if you've tried those. Mini tabletop games. I used to have some of these. I don't know what happened to them, but I had like a mini pool table, mini foosball. There's also mini air hockey. They do sell these on Urban Outfitters. Smartphone projector or just a mini projector. I got my mini projector off of Amazon and I absolutely love it. It was like $40. I use it all the time. They also have smartphone projectors they sell on probably Amazon, but I've seen it at Urban. A giant teddy bear from Costco. I used to want one of these really bad. A coffee maker. They're a coffee fanatic, or like pour over kit. You could also get them like a mini bullet blender. I think those are under $50, I hope. Also, don't kill me if my ranges are wrong. I don't really have a great knowledge on pricing. You could take them to get their nails done, you know, get a nice mani-pedi or a set of acrylics. You could get them some Crocs. You could also get them like the fuzzy lion Crocs. Those are good. You could get them a Konkin, only a mini one because the bigger ones are more expensive. An Alexa or a Google Home, these also go on sale a lot during this season. A mini Nike duffel bag. If they're into gym life, That'd be good, or sports. They're very practical. You could get them like a double speaker. I don't know if that's even how you say it, but you could just get them a nice speaker, a waterproof speaker. If they're very prone to losing things, you could get them a tile. Get them a hydro flask. There's so many different hydro flasks. Laneige lip balm. Yes. I love this stuff. You could get them the lip balm or the lip sleeping mask. Those are great. A Disney Plus subscription or any other subscription like Netflix. You could get them some fake AirPods. That might be kind of weird. Only for certain people. Other people might be kind of like, what the heck? A temperature control mug. I feel like if the person's really into their drinks and stuff, or maybe like a parent or family member would think that's pretty cool. And then the last thing for this category is Nike sweats, just because like anyone will wear them. Now for the 50 to 100, I said either a Champion or Shadow Hill hoodie, just because those are pretty basic. Guys or girls would like either of those. Slip-on Vans, Air Force Ones, because everyone wears those also. A Kendra Scott necklace. I'm talking about like the one that everyone has. I forgot what it's called. It's like a Lisa necklace or something. A mini printer, so like a Polaroid printer or just a miniature printer. Get them lash extensions, or you could take them to go get them like together, you know, like a fun little spa date. A mini fridge for a guy. You could get them like a mini fridge for food for the room, and if it's a girl, it could be like a makeup mini fridge or a food one, you know, either or. For some things that are a little bit over $100, I said a Nintendo Switch, Birkenstocks, AirPods, either like the originals or the AirPod 2s. You could take them on a trip, whether that be like a small little road trip or like plane tickets, I don't know. Concert tickets, that would be super fun. You know, just things you could do like with the person. Lululemon leggings, like Aligns, a Patagonia, anything, like either a fleece or a puffer. I'm sure anyone would be really happy with that. An Apple Watch or a Fitbit, I guess. I don't know, maybe if they're like fitnessy and stuff. There's so many different types of speakers, so I also put speaker in this category because you could get fancy, like nice, good quality one. A Pandora bracelet, because you could kind of make that as expensive as you want. You could also get them a Pandora ring. These also range in price. And Pandora has a lot of sales during this season. Then the last thing I said is a Tiffany necklace. That's like a basic, you know. Okay guys, so those were over 100 of my Christmas gift ideas. They range in price and also like the type of person you'd want to give them to. I hope that this video was helpful for you guys. If you want more gift ideas or specific gift ideas, make sure to let me know in the comments and I'll be sure to try and do that for you guys. So be sure to follow me on my socials and also let me know what other kind of Christmassy videos you want to see coming up. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!